Hey guys, I'm back. Recently, the news of LG G7 was on fire, and the first official render and launch date was also confirmed of LG G7 ThinQ. First of all, why I call this LG G7 ThinQ? Because its real name is actually LG G7 ThinQ, which was also confirmed. The ThinQ word, which actually pronounced think, adopted from the AI or machine learning program of LG. But this word is more complex and unsuitable like Samsung Galaxy S9 Pixel or iPhone X3. But yeah, now let's take a look at the first official render. Now you think that the LG G7 will be look like this, or maybe this, but the original render is this. Now I know its design is kinda look awkward because it has a top and bottom bezel are quite thick, and still it has a notch. So why LG create this notch when it looks stunning on the back side? But the front really not much impressive, and the prices are not revealed yet, so I cannot judge this phone without pricing. If LG could price lower than we are paying, so maybe it's the best one in the budget market. But yeah, the LG G7 ThinQ will be officially unveiled on May 2nd in New York, so we are almost 20 days away for the official LG G7, and maybe at this time period some more rumors will be surfaced on internet, so make sure to subscribe for the upcoming real tech videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.